Many of the hit movies and TV shows today have a dystopian theme adapted from books in which machines are autonomous and ultimately can be a detriment to mankind. But how do these fictional shows compare to reality? And should we actually fear the rise of the machines? In comparing fact and fiction of AI, it is important to first define what AI is by definition, which is no easy task. Most experts cannot even agree upon one definition of AI, but the most accepted definition is that AI is a wide ranging branch of computer science that centers around smart machines capable of performing tasks usually performed by humans. I feel that it is important to look at the roots of AI and how it came into existence. Alan Turing, yes, the same guy who cracked the Nazi code using his computing machine called the Enigma, is thought of as one of the founding fathers of AI with one simple question that he posed: can machines think? Another important figure who is recognized as the father of AI is John McCarthy. In the mid 1950s, he organized a conference at Dartmouth College which lasted 8 weeks and is widely considered to be the event that founded the field of AI. 9 other men were also part of the conference, and all are considered to be founding fathers of AI. The 1955 textbook a 1995 textbook titled Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach, identified 4 approaches that have historically defined the field of AI. AI pertains to computers that can think humanly, think rationally, act humanly, and act rationally. But how do computers think and act humanly and rationally? Simply put, computers use data and statistic techniques to learn how to get better at a task without having been specifically programmed for that task. Why is this important? Because it can eliminate the need for millions of lines of written code. Deep learning typically applies to advanced AI technology in which computers run input through a biologically inspired neural network, kind of like a brain, that processes data and allows machines to learn and make decisions by weighing input for the best results, much like how humans learn through experience. There are generally thought to be types of AI. The first type is called narrow or weak AI. The purpose of weak AI is to perform a single task extremely well. Weak AI has way more limitations than even the most basic human intelligence. AI is already part of our daily lives, even if we aren't aware of it. Some examples of AI that we see every day, but we don't really think of as being AI. Google's AI speech recognition uses deep learning to understand spoken commands and questions. Another example is facial recognition, but it has its limitation. Stores rely upon databases to recognize repeat offenders in crimes of theft, and Homeland Security also uses facial recognition to identify possible threats. The 2020 Summer Olympics in Japan, which are currently postponed, plan to use facial recognition to verify the identity of athletes. Another example: how many of you have asked the question, Alexa, tell me the weather? Or Siri, play that song that goes ooh la la? Using conversation language to control a computer is the most efficient method of controlling a computer and doesn't have a learning curve. The list goes on, including getting loans from a bank, IBM's supercomputer Watson, which is a question answering machine, and even self driving cars. There are 2 more examples of AI, although some experts disagree on what is and is not strong AI. The general opinion is that strong AI is a computer that can solve any problem that a human can solve. An artificial superintelligence is a computer that has intelligence beyond human capacity. Most experts agree that these types of AI are currently only found in fiction. Some interesting facts about AI. It is predicted that AI will outperform humans in many activities in the next 10 years. By 2053, autonomous robots will outperform surgeons. In 45 years, researchers believe that there's a 50% chance of AI outperforming humans in all tasks, and in 120 years, all human jobs will be automated. But what are the risks, and should we be worried? Computers are very good at completing tasks, but what if the computer doesn't take into consideration the environment or the safety of humans? By nature, computers aren't malevolent, but we need to make sure that the goals of AI and computers align with our own goals. In reflection, I feel that this topic is important to teachers of computer science. In the writer's opinion, this topic is very important and can be found in many aspects of our daily lives, even if we aren't aware of it. Based on the statistics found in my research, if predictions hold true that humans will be outperformed by AI in all tasks in 45 years, then we need to prepare ourselves and our students to work in a world that is technology based. Another prediction of AI researchers stated that all human jobs will be automated in 120 years. It is the writer's opinion that manual labor jobs will be much less in demand in the future, and education should reflect this technological shift.